Are you planning to jump from a free email service to a paid one because you want to use your own custom domain? Well, that is possible with Titan Email from Hostinger. In this case, I'm going to show you how it works so you decide if you like it or not, and it's only $1.59 if you want to use the service. So let me show you what I'm talking about right now. What's up, Saas Masters? Let me show you Titan Email. This is especially good when you have a BPS service and it doesn't include a free email account. You need to pay for a service, and in this case, there is Titan Email. Now, be aware that you don't have to have a hosting plan on Hostinger to use Titan Email. So that's really good, right? Now, like I said, it starts off at $1.59 per month, and there's another enterprise version that's $3.99 a month. So you can consider any of these two or the Google Workspace email. But in this case, we're going to cover these two. Now, before we check out the email service and how it works, let me show you a discount coupon code that you want to take advantage of. So if you plan to grab a shared hosting plan or a BPS, then I'm going to show you this coupon code. So jump into here, check out the plans. In this case, I'm going to select the most popular one, which is $6.99 a month. And once you've selected, you're going to be greeted with this information. Do you want to select 1 month to 24 months? I recommend 24 months. You lock in the lowest price, plus the renewal price is also cheaper. So right now the price is $167.76. But if you use my coupon code, which is SASMaster, and apply it, the price is going to drop to $150.98. So use the coupon code. Now, let's check out Titan Email. So in this case, I am in my panel. Let's go into my emails. Now, to check it out, you can go into your marketplace here, or in the main page from Hostinger, scroll all the way down here, down, and we're going to find the email service, which is right here, business email. Okay, so you have those two options. In this case, I already have it activated here, and let me show you what you're going to get. So let's go ahead and manage this. And like I said, you don't have to have a hosting plan on Hostinger. If you want to use Titan Email, you can have a domain somewhere else or anything like that. You can still use this, okay? So first off, you're going to be greeted with the email account. And this is where we're going to create our email account. And this is where we're going to get started. So first of all, we can name our email whatever we like, followed by our domain. So in this case, I'm going to use info@mydomain. Make this email account an admin account. Yes. And then I'm going to use a password. So let me go ahead and choose a strong password suggested by Google. Automatically generate a password. No, we're going to use this one. And then a recovery email. So I'm going to use my email to recover it. Create new account, and boom, we have a new email account right here with info, which is the email I've just created, and I can show the password or copy it. In this case, I'm going to copy it. I can access this via webmail, or I can add my details to my phone. Let me go ahead and click access email so you can check it out. Okay, let me go ahead and paste my password right here, log in. This is our Titan email account, and you can see that you have features that you would have normally in any other email account. I can also use this here or use it on my phone. If I have an email app, I can add the details there, or I can download the Titan app right here. So here's the inbox, here's the send. I can create a new email right here. I got email tracking built into this, templates, contact groups, recipients, and you got more information here that you can use, like your signatures, insert HTML, etc. All from here, and you can see it's powered by Titan. Okay. Now, you can do way more than just that. So let's go into our manage system. Let's go into emails. Let's go into manage. We have options like, for example, internal forwarding. So if you want to forward the email in case you just want to create this email, but you want to use something that's more practical to you, in case that's the option you want to take, you have the internal forwarding. You got catch all email. So if someone sends an email not at info, and it's, for example, sales, accounting, a warehouse at your domain, it's going to catch all those emails and bring it into this one that you've just created. Import email data. So if you have data that you have somewhere else, you can import it here. Connect domain for the DNS settings. If you haven't set up correctly your DNS, in case you're using another DNS provider like Cloudflare, for example, you can add the details here. Email reputation. So lead high email deliverability. From here, you have to have set up again your DNS records for these. Okay. Get mobile app if you want to download the Titan app, and configure desktop app. So if you want to use this on the app that you have already, for example, my desktop app for emails, if I want to use something on my Android device, on my iPhone, etc., from that native app that they have, we can use these details. So you don't have to stick with the desktop app that they provide or the app that they provide. You can use this for your native app. If you want to upgrade the plan in case you want to jump from business to enterprise, that is possible. If you want to buy additional email accounts and billing and subscription for the Titan email. But there you go. That is a Titan email. It's actually really easy and practical to use. And basically it's affordable. So if you're using a VPS and you need custom domain emails, this is the way to go. And if you're looking for something more powerful than a free email account that you're going to get at shared hosting, this is also the way to go. But there you go. That is a Titan email from Hostinger.